Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to get through graduation night. Electric night, been at Tri-Valley forever, and that's a mighty long time. But I'm here to tell you, there's something else. The real world.
We hope you'll find happiness and always have fun, day and night. So when you think of your Tri-Valley academic skills, you know the ones. Dr. Mauser says everything be alright.
Not much time at Tri-Valley is left, but we filled up your mind, baby. Cause at Tri-Valley, we prepared you for the real world. And after tonight, you're on your own. So zip up your graduation gowns
And go crazy!
Viking style! Woo! Tri-Valley High is the world you're living in.
Take a look around you. You've got great friends.
These teachers made me
Learning nouns and verbs. Couldn't use my phone.
math's not a bore. You've got an A.
It's all I heard. Grab a Viking administrator, sit up your gown.
Oh no, let's go.
Let's go crazy.
Get off that bus.
Get your mama
And your nana
and the mess of your haircuts. Let's go!
Tri-Valley's excited, and we all know why.
Maybe it's 'cause we graduate tonight.
And when we do,
We'll run out the door.
our time is now.
We'll always be Vikings.
Let's see what's all in store. Tell me,
Tri-Valley administrators, please pass out those gowns.
Oh no, let's go.
Let's go crazy. Get off the bus.
Grab your mama
And your nana, mess up your